New in Power BI, Fabric REST API for semantic model connection binding. Microsoft has introduced a new Fabric REST API that lets you programmatically bind semantic models to data connections, making it easier to automate migrations, manage data source changes, and streamline BI operations. Here's a quick overview of the 5 key steps to use the API. Step 1. Check existing connections. Use the List Item Connections endpoint to retrieve the current data source references for your semantic model. This gives you a baseline of what the model is binding to currently. Step 2. View available connections. Use the List Connections endpoint to retrieve all available connection objects in your environment. This helps you understand the universe of connection options available for binding. Step 3. Select or create a connection. Match one of the connections from Step 2 with the item connection from Step 1, or create a new connection if needed. Note the connection ID, connectivity type, and target environment. If no matching connection exists, create one. Step 4. Build your binding payload. Construct the JSON body that will define the binding. Typical fields include connectivity type, connection details, and the object ID of the connection to bind. If you want to use default settings or disconnect, you'd set connectivity type to automatic or none. Step 5. Send the binding request. Make the request for each data source reference your semantic model uses. If the model has multiple data sources, each one must be bound individually. This completes the binding process, enabling automation of environment migrations, infrastructure changes, or connection updates. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.